Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you how you can reset your iPhone or also factory reset your iPhone. So all you have to do is go into settings, and in settings when you come down you'll reach general. Just click on general and then go down all the way. You'll reach transfer or reset iPhone. Just click on that. So you'll have three options. One is reset or erase all content and settings. If you want to factory reset everything and get back to everything, like you don't want any apps or content, your videos, your photos, almost everything will be erased. Just click on erase all content and settings. Whereas if you just want to remove all your settings, your name, your email, everything, then you can click on reset. So I'll click on reset. Here you have the option to reset all settings, reset only the network settings, delete only eSIMs, or all the other things. So you can choose which one suits you and get started with that. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more content like this. Thank you.